how to use eBay photo upload tools for listing. First, you want to simply open the eBay application and log in into your account. After that, you want to simply tap on this selling option over here, and once you have done so, you want to list an item for selling. And after you've entered the item name and tapped on continue, you'll be able to open the listing page over there and tap on add photos. After that, you'll be able to choose from your gallery, or you can also click picture right away. After that, you want to simply select multiple clear photos of the item that you want to upload for listing and rearrange the photo by dragging them into your preferred order. Make sure the first photo clearly shows the entire item, as it will be the most important listing image. By doing so, you want to click on continue. By doing so, you want to continue filling out the rest of your listing and publish it over there as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.